There you go. Progress. That was the quickest battery change in the world. Hey, you can't complain. The batteries have been there for a while.
Yeah?
We catch this one from beginning to snap, and then we're done. Oh wait, I forgot I can bring it over. Okay, there we go. Alright. It's a little blurrier, but you can see the beam. Earlier I had it at 2.9, now I have it at 4.0. You should not be burning your coworkers, dude. It's not cool.
This is making most of me.
You'll hear it when he grabs a hold of it. Running behind. Well, he's got a good 30 minutes between beams, so before having to do it.
Yeah.
That's what it took last time. From the last beam to this one, it took 32 minutes so far. Sarita. I know, guys. I'm not too steady on the hands here. You see the red on the where he's burning? See how red it is? Come on, dude, a little bit more. He's almost done. You'll see the machine. Sorry, guys. You'll see the machine move. There you go. Now you're gonna just shine that bright light. Come on. When sparks fly. Hey, what were you? See, I can go right here. It's like really close. They're tag teaming it. That's what they have to do, I guess. Earlier we couldn't see the other guy because the bridge was still up.
Yeah.
But you can see the sparks from underneath the bridge.
That's gonna be too hard work to do.
Well, it's not easy. It's unfortunate. I mean, we need the bridge, and with the detour, my God. It's killed. A lot of businesses in Benson are going to go out.
Oh, literally.
Because of, I mean, no one's going to be able to afford, like us. I mean, come on. We live in the middle of nowhere, and the one bridge that gets us anywhere is coming down. It's what? I think anywhere from a 7 to a 10-mile detour.
Yeah.
I'm wondering why my number just turned red.